I've been on the hunt for a comfortable pair of truly wireless earbuds for a long time now, and today Microsoft unveiled a new pair that might just do the trick. These are the Surface Earbuds. They'll be available come holiday season for $250, and we gotta check them out here at the demo area in New York, and I gotta say, these are some of the most comfortable earbuds I've tried. Not only that, Microsoft has managed to integrate some pretty special extra features into these buds to make them more useful than your regular audio headphones. Now, you can put these earbuds on any way you want, obviously. The first time I tried them, I just stuck them into my ears. If you follow these instructions, you're supposed to hold each bud with the tip facing down, push it into your ear hollow, and then twist it upwards or anti-clockwise for a more snug fit. It should feel like you're turning a key in a lock, so your ears are locks here and the earbuds are keys. When I did this, the fit was definitely much more snug, and I bounced around and shook my head vigorously like the crazy person that I am sometimes, and they did not budge at all. They were also very comfortable. There was none of that deep sticking into my ear canal feeling that I usually get with a lot of other wireless earbuds. And that's great for someone with cerumen impaction, for example. That's earwax buildup for those of you who don't know what the scientific term is. I will admit, these look kind of strange. They're like giant circles in your ears and remind me of that Black Mirror episode with the doctor in Black Museum. But anyway, the good news is that these big circles serve a very good purpose. They are a lot more roomy for a touch-sensitive panel, and so it made it easier for me to swipe up to change the volume, swipe sideways to skip tracks, or double tap to pause and play music, for example. You can do that on either ear, or when the Microsoft specific app for these buds comes out, you can also customize them to do whatever you want on each ear. These will connect to your Windows 10 PC or Android or iOS, but when they're connected to Android, for example, there is a Spotify integration that allows you to launch that app whenever you triple tap the earbuds. When connected to a PC, you'll unlock a whole new set of features. One of these is live caption for your PowerPoint presentations, for example. When you connect the earbuds, the PowerPoint app will automatically recognize that you've done so and suggest that you launch these tools. When you start a presentation afterwards, whatever you say out loud will be transcribed below each slide. So you're basically captioning whatever you say. Now, this is very useful, for example, if you're giving a presentation to someone who is deaf, for example. This feature is reliant on a Wi-Fi connection, and given the spotty signal that we had here at the event, I'm not surprised that there was a little bit of a delay between when I said the words and when they started showing up on the screen. There's some other tools that are still to come, like a live translate feature that can convert what you're saying to one of 60 languages, but we weren't able to see that in action yet. What I did get to try out was putting the earbuds inside their charging case and removing them. They sit really level within the charging holder. On their own, the buds last about 8 hours of playback, and with the carrying case, you get up to 24 hours of juice. That should last you longer than most any flight I know in any part of the world, so that is actually a very impressive runtime. Frankly, I haven't tried out a pair of earbuds that has felt so good. The audio quality is decent too. Now, there's no active noise canceling here that I know of just yet, which might be the one downside to these buds, but I'm already impressed enough to really want to get my hands on them to at least try out before the holiday season comes around and I have to decide whether I want to buy them. Until then, stay tuned to Engadget for all the full reviews of everything that Microsoft announced at its event today.